how to find the maximum token limit or the token character count of any particular Qwen AI model. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can find out the maximum total tokens of any particular Qwen AI model within the same. So for that, simply follow out till the end of this video. So the first thing that we're going to do is head on to chat.qwen.ai, which is the official Qwen Studios website. Now, once you are inside this web page, you need to click onto your profile icon at the bottom left corner of the screen, and then a menu will appear from where you need to click onto settings. Now, within settings, click on the models to obtain all of the information about the latest and the previous models of Qwen AI. So as you can see, the currently latest model of Qwen is the Qwen 3.7 Plus, and from here you can get a summary of the same, like Qwen 3.7 Plus is a high performance LLM within the Qwen 3.7 family, integrating high state-of-the-art text. And within the same, you can find the maximum context length for the same, which you can see is around which is around 1 million tokens for the same. And you can also see the max summary generation length, which is around 65,536 tokens. Then you can also see the modality, which are text, image, and video. Now, similarly, you can do the same for any previous models or any particular Qwen model that you like. So that was all for this particular video. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.